Alright, here at the Harris, the napkins. Got this new lightning 10-year storm. We're gonna start. They give you two options of 25 lines or 50 lines. And we're gonna go to Stu. It looks like this guy with the archer is supposed to be wild. Say 30 cents. So I guess we'll go through the game rules. You need, it's like 3 of those guys with the yellow flags in order to get the bonus. Okay, so let's go. I like how they have a bonus. So you need 2 of these. So you need 3 total. And it looks like those. This thing sounds very much like Genghis Khan. Alright, double my money back almost. Yeah, I'd like to give you 2 of those, huh? But not give you the 3rd. So you need 6 of these orbs in order to get the bonus. Alright, we're gonna go straight to the 2 sets. 50 lines, $1. Alright, one more. Oh, he was right there. Look like I'd like to give you 2. I'd rather have gotten these 2. But $5 is pretty good. Alright, down to the dollar bit. Alright, we're in the bonus, $15 in. The graphics are insane though. Look at the guy riding his horse. Alright, 6 games. Wow, those are shooting, what do they call that? They're shooting those little arrows. That's quite loud. But yeah, shooting those arrows. Two more. We're $2 shy, or $1.03 shy of my money back. $1.40. Alright, back to the $1.50. Ooh, back-to-back bonuses. Let's see if the $1.25 gives you a better bonus, because that $1 one was pretty not so cool. Oh, would have been a re-trigger. This thing was all the way across. 32. Nice. Oh. Maybe ones were, maybe, no, I missed everything. 24 in a row, did 5. Alright, Let's go over a couple of backup spins. Alright, let's go do the 2 cent $1. $4 on that. $1.08. $1.08. I don't know how that math works. Oh, 6 would have been good. Alright, we're gonna go back to the 1 cent. Let's do $1.50. Alright, $4.50. Alright, back to the 150. Alright, let's I'll give you, I guess, a lot of wilds. It's a golden archer, it's not too bad. We're gonna try this wild cougar. Alright. So with the wild cougar, it's also a new game. It's the if it accepts my player's card, why does my player card not work? Alright, the good news is I got a second one. We'll play my other player's card. Okay, so let's go to the game. Rose? We need, okay, the wolf with the red moon. 3 of those. Highest paid symbol is the bear. I guess it goes by predators. The prey, predator, predator. Alright. So, $1.50. Looks like these guys are wilds. 75 cents back. Alright, we need 3 of these guys. Or 6. 1 shy. Alright, this is the best paying. We need 3 of these. $2.70. They are the best paying. 5. Okay. So 2 cent, $1. Oh, too shy of each. I guess this is the worst paint of the picture. Let's see, compared to 270. Yeah, look. Way less than the 270. 1 cent, $1. So $1.50. Need 3 of these guys. Wow. Locked. $3.60 for the mooses. Alright, let's go to 50 cents. Let's do a rapid flash, please. Alright, I'm gonna play. Alright, let's go to the 375 mode. Sweet, 15 bucks. $5. Alright, give me 2 more moons. Two more. Three more. 3 more. Alright. 250. Oh, whoa, double major. Maybe double majors here. Fish fry. Look, 2 moons. Alright, I'm gonna bounce to the $5 bets.